Bilal Hassan did impressively against Mridul Seki at Contender Series. Won UFC contract pretty much easily. CFFC used to be a big champ, destroyed everybody, and now he's gonna fight Nilson Rojas. El Rajo fighting out of Peru, another high level Elm, 5'5". He lives in Santiago, Chile though, and this guy destroyed everybody in Inca, local promotion. He was better than Gonzalo Hanampel, Ovali Fernandez, William Roja, Adrian Haley. Very aggressive fighter, always looking for the finish. And I really think this guy would reach pretty far. In amateur circuit, only Kevin Borjas defeated him, and Derek Paiva only like high-level opponents. At amateur circuit, he dominated, and after 10 years of consistent training, he's in the UFC, and I'm saying the fight will not go the distance. Very confident of that. If I must pick a side, I still take Bilal Hassan because he fought in more dangerous, more difficult promotions, but could go either way. This is gonna be a banger.